in my front yard where I have 3 bird feeders that I've bungee corded together. We're gonna put the Oreo feeder up first and just slip it. Again, remember it has jam or jelly in it and 2 oranges. It's best if you can find jelly that doesn't have corn syrup in it. And then this is the hummingbird feeder that I'm going to hang here. Now I don't have a space for the bag of oranges here. I'm going to go out and get either another shepherd's hook or a hook to hook on here. But for now, we're going to hang it right with the hummingbird feeder. And that way the birds can come to both. Let's take a closer look at the feeders I have here. I did move the bag of oranges so they have their own space. I just slid it along the pole. Here's the hummingbird feeder with holes for the hummingbirds to go to. Other birds will drink from this as well. Here's the Oreo feeder. And then I also have a sunflower feeder that attracts finches and cardinals and blue jays. And then this yellow topped feeder is a suet feeder. And we got the berry suet this time of year because a lot of the birds migrating up are looking for food like berries to eat. We now have a female rose-breasted grosbeak that's landed on the feeder. She's checking things out. The females of many birds are brown and drab colored so that when they sit on the nest, they can't be seen by predators. Notice her very big beak. It's designed perfectly to open up the sunflower seeds and other seeds, similar to what you might see in a cardinal.